Hello, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-ins. So today, we're going to talk about how to transcend tribal consciousness and the collective chaos that's going on in the planet. It's very easy to do. It's a matter of keeping your focus where you want to be. So we're going to give you a short meditation that you can use before you go out each and every day out into the world. So you can have a, how shall we say, a more profound quantum experience rather than a 3D tribal consciousness experience. So let's close our eyes and bring our awareness to the breath. Let's take a deep cleansing breath in through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth 3 times, relaxing your fingers, your toes, all the muscles in your face, relaxing your shoulders, and coming into this now moment, bring your awareness to your hands. Open up the heart. Activating the power of the heart, your soul consciousness, and begin to move awareness out of tribal consciousness and the chaos of the world. Imagine that you are lifting your awareness literally above the earth plane and up into the heavens. Imagine bringing awareness into what feels like open space, infinite open space, where you can feel the peace and calm and love of creation. And just sit in this quantum space of no time, no space, of stillness, of quietness, of inner peace. And then take a deep breath into that space and bring it through your body. Bring it all the way into your body, all the way down to the toes, all the way up into the brain, into the hands, into the base of your spine, into your belly. And invoke the prayer. I now go out into the world, radiating peace and calm, stability, balance, and groundedness. And I move through my day in effortless peace, wonder, and joy. And so it is. So for more information on our new services and programs, please go to kenjikumara.com. And thank you very much for listening and tuning in joyfully. And we'll see you on the next Joyful Tune-ins. Have a blessed day.